in the diagram below. B, F, and H, so these 3 points, are on AC, AE, and BF respectively, and GH is perpendicular to BF. The area of square ABGF, so they're telling you this smaller square is 1/4 the area of square ACDE, so the larger square. What percent of the area of ACDE does the shaded portion represent? Well, a shaded portion is a triangle GHF. They want to know what percent of the larger square is a smaller triangle. Well, we know that the area of the smaller square is 1/4 the area of the larger square. So we can write 1/4 of ACDE equals ABGF. But the triangle GHF, we need to know how much of it is part of ABGF. They tell you that GH and BF are perpendicular. Well, we know that B and F are endpoints of the smaller square. And if there's a segment connecting from B to F, then that means that the triangle BGF would be 1/2 of the square ABGF. So if this triangle is 1/2 of the smaller square, then you need to know the shaded portion. And since it's perpendicular, this is bisected. So this triangle is 1/2 of this larger triangle, which is 1/2 of this smaller square. So that means that we can similarly draw 4 of these small triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that tells us the smaller triangle is 1/4 of ABGF. So if the smaller triangle is 1/4 of the smaller square, and the smaller square is 1/4 of the larger square, then we can multiply our two constants here of proportions, and we could do 1/4 times 1/4 equals 1/16, because 1/4 of a 1/4 is 1/16, and that would be, our decimal would be 0.0625. But now the ACT gives us 0.0625% in choice A, but that's trying to trick you because it's asking for what percent. So to get the percent, you must multiply by 100. So 0.0625 times 100 is 6.25%. So our answer will be answer choice D.